It begins, as all revolutions do, in silence. Not with a flash in the sky or a booming voice from beyond, but in a sterile lab, under a microscope, on a dusty red rock shipped 205 million kilometers through space. A single signal, a single shape, something, moving, dividing, alive, and everything changes. For centuries, Mars was our mirror, an echo of Earth's past. A planet once warm and wet, before turning cold and silent. We sent orbiters, landers, rovers. We analyzed rocks, chased methane plumes, drilled beneath the surface, always chasing the question, are we alone? And now, for the first time in human history, that question has an answer. No, life exists beyond Earth, and it was hiding on our cosmic doorstep all along. The discovery doesn't start with green men or spacecraft. It starts with microbes, resilient, alien, Martian microbes, found clinging to life beneath the surface, in a briny pocket of subsurface water. A rover's drill hits something unexpected. A camera captures a shimmer, and then in a lab back on Earth, the confirmation: unfamiliar biochemistry, non-terrestrial amino acids, RNA-like structures forming strange, repeating patterns. Not Earth life, not contamination, something new. The news breaks like lightning across the world. Governments halt, stock markets freeze, religions react. Millions stare into screens, trying to process the headline, Martian life confirmed. In one moment, humanity becomes smaller and more infinite. Every belief, every system, every assumption must now confront a cosmic truth. We are not alone in the universe, and we never were. In the days that follow, the questions begin to multiply faster than the organisms themselves. Is it dangerous? No one knows. It lives in extreme conditions, sub-zero temperatures, high radiation, salt-saturated brine. It doesn't breathe oxygen. It doesn't rely on DNA, but it replicates, and it adapts. Did life start on Mars first? Some scientists wonder if Earth life and Martian life share a common ancestor, spread via meteorites in a process called panspermia. If so, our family tree may stretch across planets. Or is this just the beginning? What if Mars is only one of many cradles of life? The geopolitical consequences arrive quickly. Nations that once collaborated on Mars exploration begin drawing lines. Who owns Martian life? Who gets to study it? Who has the right to touch it? Some demand isolation, fearing biohazard. Others argue for full access, driven by curiosity or power. Private companies rush to patent sequences. Militaries quietly evaluate threats. Religious leaders debate theology. Conspiracy theories flourish. Some deny the discovery entirely. Others call it prophecy. And all the while, the microbes quietly thrive, undisturbed by the noise of Earth. NASA halts all planned sample return missions. Quarantine protocols are rewritten overnight. Missions are rerouted to avoid contamination. Mars becomes not just a red planet, but a sacred site, protected, feared, and revered. A new generation of scientists is born. Fields like exomicrobiology, astropaleontology, and xenogenetics explode overnight. Universities can't build labs fast enough. Kids who once dreamed of becoming astronauts now dream of becoming planetary ecologists, because the next step isn't just studying alien life, it's understanding it, and maybe talking to it. As decades pass, the microbes become more than a scientific curiosity. They become the cornerstone of a new worldview. If life evolved independently on two planets in the same solar system, what are the odds it's rare elsewhere? Suddenly the stars aren't empty, they're full of potential. Every exoplanet becomes a question mark, every moon a maybe. And Mars becomes a monument, a silent testament to the idea that life finds a way even in the cold, the dark, and the dust. But with discovery comes responsibility. Do we leave Mars alone, preserve it as a natural museum? Or do we push forward, terraform, colonize, alter the only other world where life has ever been found? And what if we aren't alone on Mars? What if beneath the soil, deeper than our drills can reach, something watches us back? Not microbes, not bacteria, but something that remember. For now, we don't know. The discovery is microscopic, but the implications are cosmic. In the end, it wasn't the roar of an invasion that changed humanity. It was the whisper of a single Martian cell dividing in the dark. A reminder that the universe is not a cold, dead void. It's alive, and it's only just begun to speak.